The Ultramobile 423 client error is a custom error code indicating a client-side or network failure, often linked to authentication or connectivity. It's not a standard HTTP error. Key causes include incorrect APN settings, account issues like suspension or data limits, or network congestion on Verizon's network, which Ultramobile uses. First, confirm you're actually seeing this error. It will appear as a 423 client error message within the Ultramobile app or during connection attempts. Note that this commonly occurs during high traffic periods or network upgrades. If you are seeing this error code, begin troubleshooting by verifying the APN settings on your phone, as this is most often the root cause. To fix the 423 client error, follow these steps systematically. First, restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off. This simple reset can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Next, verify your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point names. The correct APN for Ultramobile is usually Internet. Reset to defaults if necessary. APN issues are common in rural areas with weaker signals. Check your account status by logging into the Ultramobile app or website. Confirm your billing status, data usage, and plan details to ensure there are no account-related blocks. Update the Ultramobile app to the latest version and clear its cache. In 2025, most users fix this error with app updates alone. Perform a network reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears all network settings to resolve persistent issues. If the problem persists, contact Ultramobile support with error logs. Advanced users can use network diagnostic apps for real-time data.